Friends, greeting to all of you on this Republic Day. I am Mustafa. I would like to share my opinions with you about today's occasion day. Today is 26th of Jan, the Republic Day of our country. It's a day to celebrate the values of our democratic, to celebrate the value and republic. It's a day to celebrate India and republic. It's the day to celebrate India, the spirit of being Indian after the hard struggle and sacrifice of our country. Freedom fighters, India became independent from British rule on 15th of August 1947, the Constitution of India was drafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India became republic after the Constitution came into effect on 26th of Jan 1950. Republic means that citizen of the country have the right to elect its leader to lead the country. Since then, the India is progressing with a new zeal and enthusiasm. The whole world is watching our achievement with appreciation, but there are still many tasks to be accomplished, gaps to be filled, and tears to be wiped. We need to focus on the issues like population overgrowth, poverty, illiteracy, corruption, etc. Our laws need to be made more strict when it's come to the safety of women and children. We need to ensure that every child gets the basic right and good education. We still need to focus on making our country a clean and green country while walking on the path of development and success. We did not need to forget the sacrifices of our ancestors and made of our freedom fighters. We did not forget the soldiers who perform their duty every day to preserve our independence and democracy. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizens, support country development. Let us all pledge today to work economic in the world. कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ मातृभूमि की शान का है. हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा. नशा ये हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है. दे सलाम इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलाम इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है. सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.